One Tractor by Alexandra Siy. One tractor in the grass, out of gas. Two planes fly in the sky. Small plane low, big plane high. Three boats float below, sailing fast, docking slow. Four cranes above the town, hoisted up, easy down. Five big trucks ready to pull, one empty, the others full. Six city buses, right bus, wrong. Stopping, going, all day long. Seven fire trucks aim cold spray, hosing red hot flames away. Eight machines push, shovel, dump, scrape, dig, doze, roll, load, turning rough earth into smooth black road. Nine railroad cars speed under the ground, now over a bridge into sunlight and sound. 10 bicycles locked in the rack, headlights in front, baskets in back. One tractor in the grass, out of gas. Excellent job, readers. The end. And as always, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. Want to become a better reader? Please check out our fun activity books. We also have premium composition books available now. For more information, please visit our website at itsreadingtimekids.org or visit our Amazon storefront page. Do you love music? It's Reading Time Music is now available, streaming on all platforms. Thank you.